Today, we're gonna cook grilled squid or grilled pusit in Filipino. Actually, I'm on my comfort zone because as an Ilonggo, we are known to be good grillers. So, I think that there's a testament to that when you go to Bacolod and taste their grilled products or grilled foods, you would agree to me. So, for further ado, let's get started. Essentials: tomatoes, onions, garlic, half the head. Okay. Because I'm Ilonggo, lemongrass. Squid. Green onions, white pepper, soy sauce, salt, a tablespoon or two table, just salt to taste. So we'll start with cleaning the squid. Take out the head, inside of the squid. We're gonna cut this off. This one. Cut this off. Because that is, we don't like to eat that. Leave the head. Then take this out. This is like a bone on top of the head of the squid. You have to take that out. We don't want to eat that as well. There's like a plastic cartilage, like a plastic at the back of the squid. So, you know what? After you're done with everything else, cleaning up the squid, then before starting with anything else, starting with cooking, when resuming your cooking, the best thing to do is rub your squid with salt to be clean, and the odor is gonna be good. Rub your squid. Put a little bit of 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, a little bit of salt, a little bit of garlic. So we use half of our garlic to marinate it. Mince. White pepper. Half the lemon. A little bit. And mix. So the remaining garlic, we have to put it on the stuffing for the squid. Onions, green onions, potatoes, garlic, pinch of salt, your own preference, okay? So it's up to you. But me, at least a teaspoon or half the teaspoon, lime, soy sauce, a little bit, pepper, and lemongrass. Lemongrass is, you have to pound it so that the aroma of the lemongrass is gonna come out. So you do this. Cut. Throw it there. Mix. Put the stuffing on the squid. When it's full, take a skewer and just drive through. Repeat the process for the other squid and I'll be back. Take care of this. It over and leave it there. Okay, let's start grilling. So, but if you overcook squid, it's gonna be tough. So, probably 5 minutes or less. So I'll put 3 minutes, then gonna turn it over. Done. This is the finished product. Looks pretty good. Delicious. Our grilled pusit.